Welcome to this very special How to Draw video, where we're going to learn how to draw something a very, very long way away. To draw something very, very far away, it's important to use an art technique developed during the Italian Renaissance called perspective. Using lines and mathematical calculations, artists can add depth to their work and make flat drawings look three-dimensional. Okay, this is how you can draw something a very, very long way away for yourself. To start with, we need a horizon line. Using a ruler, lightly draw a straight line across the middle of the paper. Next, mark a point in the middle of that line with a faint cross. That's your vanishing point. Now we're going to draw two diagonal lines from the bottom of the page to meet the vanishing point. Here's one. Here's the other. Da-da-da! Now, remembering that that thing you're drawing is a very, very long way away, and using the classical technique of perspective drawing, in pen this time, nice and bold, draw a dot on the vanishing point. Now rub out your diagonal perspective lines and horizon line. That's how to draw something that's a very, very long way away.